Good morning, students. Happy New Year to all. Today we will start our new chapter. We see many kinds of plants around us. Plants are different in size and shape. Some plants are big and some plants are tall. Some plants are small and short. So, in chapter number 16, we shall discuss about that. So, our chapter name is The World of Plants. First, we will see parts of a plant. We all have different body parts, right? We have eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, etc. In the same way, plants also have different parts. Can you tell me the name of these parts? No? Okay, I will tell you. Like human beings, plants also have different parts. These parts of the plant help them grow, survive, and reproduce. Some parts of the plant above the ground, while some are below the ground. Parts of a plant above the soil that we can see is called shoot of a plant. And parts of a plant below the soil that we cannot see is called root of a plant. Okay? So, are you clear what is a shoot and what is a root? Yes, very good. Shoot is a part of a plant above the soil and root is a part of a plant below the soil. Now, we will learn about parts of a plant. There are mainly 5 parts: leaves, stem, flower, fruit and roots. These are parts of plant. Different parts of the plant have their own functions. They help in making, distributing and storing food. Okay? Roots usually grow under the ground. They fix the plant to the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and holds the plant so it does not fail over. Potato, carrot are the examples of types of root. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. Every plant has a different kind of leaf. Part is a stem. Stem supports the plant. Leaves, flowers and branches grow from it. Stem is strong and helps hold the plant. It allows water and nutrient flow up to the leaves. Okay? Flowers. Flowers produce fruit. Do you like flower? Yes. Okay. Flowers are the parts of plants that make seeds and fruits. Flowers are colorful, so easily attract hummingbirds and bees. Fruit. A fruit has seeds inside it. Fruits protect seeds. They help plants spread seeds out because animals transport and discard seeds when they eat fruits. Do you know? Seeds grow into new plants. Here are parts of a plant. Point is over. Now we will see our next point, that is types of plants. We see many kinds of plants around us. They are mostly green in color. Plants are different in size and shape. Some plants are big and tall. Some plants are small and short. Now, first we see types of a plant, that is tree. Trees are very big, tall and strong. They have a thick brown and woody stem. These stems are called trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Trees have thick and strong roots to hold them firmly to the ground. They live for many years. A banyan tree lives for over 1000 years. The mango, tamarind and neem trees are very common in our country. Trees are different shapes and sizes. Coconut tree is a tall tree without branches. These are the characteristics of trees. Now we will see our next type of plant, that is shrubs. Now see what are the characteristics of shrubs. Shrubs are bushy plants with hard and woody stems. Their branches grow close to the ground. They give flowers. Do you know? Crotons have beautiful, shining, and multicolor leaves. Hibiscus, rose, and cotton plants are examples of shrubs. Most shrubs live only for a few years. Next type of plant is herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft, green, and tender stems. Are you notice the color difference between shrubs and herbs? Yes, very good. The color of stems of shrubs is brown and color of stems of herbs is green. Very good. Herbs have small roots. Herbs live for a short time. Tulsi, balsam, tomato, mint and spinach are types of herbs. All leafy vegetables which we eat, these are types of herbs. These are the characteristics of herbs. Now see last type of plant, that is climbers and creepers. Climbers are plants with weak stems that need support to climb up and grow. They cannot stand straight. They climb on other plants, sticks or walls to grow. Pea plant, grapevine and money plant are the examples of climbers. Creepers have weak stems and thin branches. They grow along the ground. They usually bear big fruit. Climbers and creepers have soft and weak stems. They give us fruits and vegetables. There are types of plant. Point is over. I hope you all have understood the characteristics of trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now we will see next point, that is photosynthesis. Cannot move about in search of food. Plants make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of a plant. So, leaves of green plants are the kitchen of the plant. They make food for the plant with the help of air, sunlight and water. The stem carries the prepared food from the leaves to all other parts of the plant. Food which is not used by the plant is stored in stems, leaves, fruit, flowers and seeds. Okay, here are all points are over. Now see what we have learned. We have learned parts of a plant. There are 5 main parts. Then we learn types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. We also studied the process of photosynthesis. Here are the world of plants. Chapter is over. I hope you all have understood the lesson. You watch and listen the video carefully. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.